The decline in bee populations, specifically honeybees and wild bees, is a matter of global concern. Several factors contribute to this decline, which has serious implications for ecosystems and food production. Here are some of the main causes. Habitat loss. Bees depend on diverse and healthy habitats for foraging and nesting. However, the conversion of natural landscapes into agricultural land, urbanization, and habitat fragmentation have led to a loss of floral resources and nesting sites for bees. This reduces their access to food and suitable places to reproduce. Pesticide use. The widespread use of pesticides in agriculture has a detrimental impact on bee populations. In particular, a group of pesticides called neonicotinoids has been linked to bee decline. Bees can be exposed to these chemicals through direct contact with treated crops or by consuming contaminated nectar and pollen. Pesticides can weaken bees' immune systems, impair their navigation and foraging abilities, and even cause their death. Climate change. Rising temperatures, changing rainfall patterns, and extreme weather events associated with climate change pose significant challenges to bee populations. Bees have specific temperature and humidity requirements for their survival and reproductive success. Shifts in these climatic conditions can disrupt the synchronization between bees and the flowering of their preferred plant species, leading to food scarcity and reduced reproductive rates. Parasites and diseases. Bees face various pests and pathogens that weaken their immune systems and compromise their health. One notable example is the Varroa mite, a parasitic mite that feeds on honeybees and spreads viral diseases within colonies. Other diseases, such as American foul brood and European foul brood, also pose threats to bee populations. Lack of floral diversity. Bees rely on a diverse range of flowering plants as a source of nectar and pollen. However, monoculture agriculture and the loss of native plant species have resulted in reduced floral diversity in many landscapes. This limits the availability of nutritious and diverse food sources for bees, leading to malnutrition and increased susceptibility to other stressors. Invasive species. The introduction of non-native bee species and the spread of invasive plants can disrupt native bee populations. Invasive species may compete with native bees for resources or introduce new diseases and parasites that native bees have not evolved defenses against. Addressing the decline in bee populations requires a multifaceted approach. It involves promoting sustainable agricultural practices that reduce pesticide use, restoring and creating bee-friendly habitats, preserving and diversifying floral resources, and raising awareness about the importance of bees for ecosystem health and food security. Collaboration between policymakers, farmers, scientists, and the public is crucial to ensure the long-term survival of bees and the vital services they provide.